Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn history dates. Learning history dates can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it becomes much easier. We will explore several proven techniques to help you master historical timelines. By the end, you will have a clear roadmap to confidently recall important dates and events, making your history studies more engaging and successful. Let's dive into making history dates stick in your mind. Active recall is a powerful tool for memorization. Try making flashcards, writing the date on one side and the event on the other. Spend about 15 minutes each day reviewing these. Another great method is using mnemonics. For example, creating a silly sentence where the first letter of each word helps you remember a sequence. Visualizing events on a timeline also helps immensely, showing the flow of history over hundreds of years. Simply memorizing numbers is less effective than understanding the context. Instead of just learning a date, ask yourself what happened before and after it. Grouping events by themes, like major wars or social movements, can reveal patterns and connections. Reading engaging historical accounts helps you grasp the human stories behind the dates. Spending 20 to 30 minutes exploring the why of an event makes the date much more meaningful and memorable. Consistent review is crucial for long-term retention. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes daily to quickly go over previously learned dates. Utilize practice quizzes or ask a family member to test you. Pay special attention to the dates you frequently forget, perhaps spending an extra 5 minutes on those. Regular practice, even for just a few minutes, helps move information from short-term to long-term memory, ensuring you remember dates for months, not just days.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.